Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, smash that like button, comment below, subscribe so you don't miss a thing here on the Texas Shade Tree Mechanic. Always give us a thumbs up. If you haven't checked the merch store, teespring.com/Texas Shade Tree Mechanic. Support the channel, guys. It helps put out great content and encourages me to put out more videos. And like today, we're starting a new project along with great many more, and hopefully this project continues to help build the channel and helps me bring more content to you, and hopefully brings more projects and helps grow this channel, and eventually we get more and more bigger, and that just drives me to just keep contributing to you and my fellow viewers. So please, guys, if you haven't told your friends and your families and your friends of your family, please, guys, share, comment, like, subscribe, and keep on keeping on. And y'all, I do this for y'all, and as long as y'all keep giving, I'll keep giving. So today we're starting a new project on a new series, and I just picked this up today, and maybe you guys might like it. And I appreciate the comments below. I appreciate some insight, and now we'll go on and I'll show it to you. Tell me what you think. I picked it up for a steal, and we'll go on from there. So this is the beginning of a new project, everybody. This is a 6.5 by 16 foot lowboy trailer. Last registered in '92, so it's been sitting up for quite a bit, as you can see. So we got our work cut out for us. The decking is rotted quite a bit, but it's nothing we can't work with. I picked it up from a good friend of mine for quite a bargain. Trailers today they're just going for outrageous prices. I mean, I live down here in Southeast Texas, as quite many of you know. I mention it a lot. And the prices down here, you buy a brand new trailer, you're practically paying for almost $100 per foot of a trailer. So if I want to go buy a 16-foot trailer, I'm forking out $1,600 plus taxes and title and licenses. So I could be forking out $1,600 to almost $2,000 for your basic runaround trailer, and that is ridiculous. So I was just fortunate enough to come across this deal. I paid $200 for this trailer. So you tell me, did I come up with a good deal just for a trailer that is structurally sound and just needs wood and tires? Maybe some paint. Okay, so we got a little bit of bent metal. Wood, tires, bent metal. Not bad, huh? So, one thing about this trailer, it has the tilt tongue feature. You pull the pin while you're connected to the truck. You drive your farm equipment. This was a registered farm trailer, so you would drive the front end of a tractor on it, and the bed would tilt back while you would drive the tractor on it, and then when it reached past the axles, the weight would push the deck back down. One or two options I could do. I could weld that all back up and then rig me up some ramps so I can drive a vehicle on this thing. That's one option I'm looking at. This is a pretty short tongue. I mean, I could keep it that way. But one thing I have discovered, I crawled up underneath it, it does have rear single axle brakes. I think it has 65K brake or 75K brake. I'm not sure about the rating yet, but one thing I do want to do as the plan on this trailer is to put dual axle brake. I'm going to put dual axle brakes on this trailer because I'll be pulling it with my half ton, the Ram 1500. So I think the more brake the better, because this trailer is made out of a heavier quality steel than the modern day trailers are. So I don't think more brake would hurt. So more brakes the better. I mean, who's going to argue with dual axle brakes? Are you going to argue with dual axle brakes? So, well, one other thing to do, because you can see it's wired. It's wired like an So all this wiring is shot. We're going to rewire it after we repaint it. Comment below. This is where I want you guys to participate. Please participate, guys. I mean, it's a good, nice project for you guys to get involved. Like, subscribe, comment below, guys. Let's build up our subscriber base. 26 subscribers, guys. And I've got lots and lots of views, but no subscribers. So y'all got to start subscribing. I mean, honestly, start subscribing. I can see you guys view these videos all the time. Start mashing that like button down there. Wait, it's over here. Start mashing that button, guys. Comment, ring that bell. And then, this is where you guys need to help me out. On this trailer, guys, let's start. This is where you guys get to participate, alright? Y'all get to pick the color. That's right. You get to pick the color. That's right. Ignore that truck. That's my parts truck. Don't worry about it. I'm not even fixing that up. Alright, there we go. It's out of the way. You get to pick the color. I'm going to give you a list of options. Alright? Here we go. After I prime this thing, red, John Deere green, Caterpillar gold, gunship gray, or black. You get to decide between those 5 colors. Red, green, gray, gold, or black. Why? Because I can get all those 5 industrial colors. Those 5 industrial colors off of any shelf in any hardware store, and then get them pretty cheap. So y'all get to decide those colors. Personally, I'm leaning towards the gray, but I don't want to go black because you can just get that anywhere. That, and it's hard to keep black clean, but black is sexy. I ain't gonna argue with that. So one thing I am gonna do. Those American Force wheels over there, I didn't measure them. Those American thrust wheels will be going on this trailer. I think that'll look nice. So, these fenders, I will be taking these fenders off, and we're going to put new fenders on it all the way around. And we'll be cutting them to shape, trust me. We'll be cutting new fenders to shape, so they won't look square like that. So we'll get new fenders and new fender caps. So we'll be doing that. LEDs all the way around. I'm not sure if I'll use these style lights or if I'll probably take them off the Jeeps or something, so we'll have reverse lights, because I'm a very good proponent of having reverse lights. Our dovetail back here is bent a little, so we'll replace that with some really good angle iron. That, and for some reason or another, the manufacturer or however this trailer was put together used a 2-piece, and I'm not a big fan of that. So there we go. That's the plan on this trailer. We're going to strip it down. We're going to sand it. I gotta fix that. We're gonna wire brush it. We're gonna get all the dents out of it. We're gonna put new fenders on it. We're gonna get all the welding done. We're gonna replace all the bushings, replace all the bearings. We're going to put dual brakes. We're gonna put new tires, put new wheels. We're gonna rewire it, and I am going to put a breakaway and battery on it. Put a new jack, because that jack may or may not be good, but we'll update the jack. May or may not update the tongue. We'll see. I'm not exactly a fan of this tongue design. Comment below, guys, if we want to retain this folding tongue design. We may just weld this thing solid and go with a loading ramp design. Which in that case, I'll just get aluminum ramps and go from there. And we'll just build if y'all guys like that idea, we'll build ramps that just go up underneath the deck. But anyway, guys, this is where you guys get to participate. Comment below, give me some ideas. Like I said, this wiring has to go. So anyway, as always, this has been Texas City Tree Mechanic. Mash that comment button below. Let me know what you guys think. Mash that subscribe button. And as always, we'll see you next time. Check out the merch store. Guys, we got a lot of stuff there. Support this channel. And love you guys.